Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import font on a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor app and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. Okay, and I'm going to choose the video based since I want to edit a video. And I'm just going to choose the video from stock in a VN. I'm just going to choose a blank clip. Okay, and then I'm going to add text to this project. So I'm gonna click on the text menu, select text, and for the text I'm going to add body text, for example. Okay, and I'm going to type in this is my video. Oops, sorry guys, apparently this video is not blank video, but that's okay. All right, and then I'm going to show you how we can import font. I'm going to go to the font menu. Okay, after we add text to our project, we can go to the font and then we can simply click on add font. Okay, and I'm going to choose import from file app. Okay guys, and then I have downloaded a font from the internet. This is the font I have just downloaded and I'm going to add this font to my project. Okay guys, I'm going to add this font. Okay, now it's done. The font has been added to my project. Okay, this is the font I have just added, super shiny, and I'm going to apply this font to the text. Alright, and this is the result. I'm going to zoom in to show you. Okay, and if you want to remove this font from your VN, you just need to go back to the font section and then you can go to the setting and then go to my font and you can choose a font you want to remove. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna go back to the setting and my font, click on this icon, select the font you want to remove and just click on delete, and the font you have imported will be deleted. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import font in the VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.